Hi, welcome to another episode of Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and I make art for kids. Today we're going to do a step-by-step guided drawing of Joe Biden. So first step you need is a marker or a pencil. You need a paper and come follow along with me. The first step is to draw his hair. You're going to start going up, around, curve in, upward, down. From this first line that you made, you're going to go inward, down, down again, and we're going to start to make little curve patterns for his hair. You go around, down, kind of wherever you feel like it. From this first side, we're going to make some cool sunglasses on him. We're going to start here and go in, down and in again. These sunglasses are going to go up with a little curve, go in, up, all the way through the other side. This line is going to go down and up a line, and then another curve to match the first one, down and up, and you'll connect. Now we're going to make some little lines in between, kind of a reflective part of the sunglasses. There we go. And then you'll just color it all in. Once you have it all colored in, you're going to start to make his ear. You go from the starting point and go down and kind of make a loop for the ear. Now we're going to start to make the shape of his chin. We're going to go down, little curve, curve down, up, and then go all the way kind of where the sunglasses and the hair meet, like this. Now we're going to make his other ear. Start here and go down and a little loop in. We're going to make his eyebrows. Start here at the top of the sunglasses and make them peek out and draw little curves going down. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to go up, little curves going down. We'll make little lines to show an expression of happiness, and we're going to draw some smile lines on the eyes, as I call them. Now we're going to make a nose. Start in the sunglasses and go down, bump, down and up, around, and stop. From this side, we'll go in, and I'm not going to make them touch. For this side, go down, make like a curve. You're going to make a smile by going in, and then we're going to make kind of like loops. So first step, you go down and make it up. You can make the smile as big or as small as you want. Mine's going to be kind of big smile. I'm going to make like a teeth mark and fill this part in like that. This side, another smile line. And for his hair, we're just going to make marks going all the way around his head, kind of wherever you want to, just random. Now for his ear, we're going to make a line going up, around, kind of like a curve, and another line going in as well, like that. Now we're going to make some more smile lines. Going in, another line at the bottom, like a curve, and a small downward curve for his chin. We're going to make his neck by starting at kind of where the ear and the face meet and go down. Right about there. And then we'll go inward like this, starting from this point. We'll go inward again. Kind of like this. Next, we will start from this point and make a curve. We're going to start to make the collar of his shirt by going down, make a point, go up. It's one collar. The next collar is starting from here, kind of leaving a little space for his tie, and goes down, and up, 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 hitting the first line up here. Next, we're going to make his tie. His tie will go from this point, kind of down, and then here we're going to make a diagonal line going up this way, making another curve up. His tie is going to come down. I'm just going to make kind of half of him, just like a face portrait. So I'm not going to do his body, but just kind of part of his head. His tie, I want to make marks on it, like this, but you can make stars or stripes, whatever patriotic thing you feel. Just gonna kind of leave it open like this. Next, we're gonna make his shoulder. Start here from his collar and go outward and make a curve down. We're gonna go here from this collar point and go down and around. There, I think we have Joe Biden. Let's color him. Thank you for drawing with me. I really had fun today, and I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe to the channel for new videos each week. I'll see you later. Bye.